Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to learn the continued chapter number 2 of class 2. The book is Oxford International Primary Maths 2 and page number is 20. So let's start exercise 2, ordinal numbers. So here we can see that one is written in digit, one is written in, words, and then in first, second, third form. So color the first beat. First beat is which? This one. Color the second beat is this one, fifth beat is this one, and so on. So this is the coloring game. So you can do it on your own. To read ordinal numbers. Answer these questions and complete these questions about calendar. The first day of month is first day. Which day? First day. So we can see that here the first day is Monday. So Monday we can here write Monday. The first Friday of the month is first Friday is on 5th. Is the 5th. Which day is on 5? Which day of the week is 11th? Which day of the week is 11th? This is Thursday, as you can see in the calendar. Which day of the week is 6th? The 6th is Saturday. And which day of the week is 16th? 16th is Tuesday, and which day of the week is 2nd? Which day of the week is 2nd? It's Tuesday. So first letter on the second line is F. Third letter on the third line is first letter on the second line is T. Third letter on third line is W. Third letter on fourth line is O. So we have done these exercises. Next is number patterns and properties. Complete each spider diagram with as much information as you can about the number. Then choose a number to explore. Okay. We can write this number. Information about this number is 6 is less than 8. Even we can write that 8 is even number. What are even number? Basically, even numbers are those who have even even numbers are those whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And which are odd numbers? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Whenever you see these numbers in the last of any digit or number, you can claim it as odd. And if you see even these numbers in the last of any number, these digits on the last of any number, then you can call it even. So if you want detail of even and odd, then you can watch the latest videos of today date video of fourth and fifth class. Okay, so we can write here as 8 is less than 10. Then double 4 is we double the 4. 4. Then it will become 8. Between 8 is between. So you can also do this with 17, 24, and like you can write this type of information with these numbers. Number patterns and properties. This is the review, so we have to do this. Complete this sentences using odd or even. As I tell you that even are these numbers and order these numbers, so we can do this. Numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 ones are even, and numbers with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd. These numbers have been ordered from largest to smallest. Write a number between each pair of the numbers. Make sure that the numbers are still in order from largest to smallest. Okay. 80. For any number we can write between this is like 60. Okay. Between 65 and 41 is 59. 41 and between 28 and 41 or 41 and 28 is 20. Then it comes to it will be 10. Okay, next is if we double the 10, then we will get 20. If we double the 3, we'll get 6. Just wait a second. Okay, write the fourth number here. Where is the fourth number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number is 59. Okay, use any of the numbers above to complete the number sentences. Okay, what is this sign represents? This sign represents less than. Okay, we can write here 60, and 60 is greater than 60 is smaller than or less than 84. Next is 65 is less than, sorry, here we can write 69, and 69 is greater, 69 is smaller than 84, and 65 is smaller than or less than 69. So this is a today lecture. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my video, subscribe it, share it, and like it. Also comment for the questions and feedback. Thank you so much.